late start to the day today. Stayed up a little too late last night, so it kind of screwed me up this morning, but it's about like 45 to 50 degrees outside right now, and it's sunny. It really gives you like that false sense of spring. For you guys that don't really have seasons like the Northeast, that like pre-springtime feel is probably one of the most exciting things ever, just knowing like how awesome all the weather is ahead of you and all the car events that's coming along, and it's exciting. But the guys are here at the units today, which is sick. I never get to see them anymore, so it's gonna be a fun day. The bay door is open. How weird is that feeling?
What's up, boy?
What's up, homie? Little Tucker, I missed you so much. All right, guys, look what came in today.
A, B. Uh-oh. Unboxing time.
Unboxing time.
Is this what I think it is?
What do you think it is?
I don't know, it's for them to guess.
Oh, birthday!
Put it down in the comments.
OMG. Jim smashes it. Oh my god.
Smash my face through it.
Well, there it is, guys. 4 months later.
There you go. What'd you think, Tuck?
What'd you think?
Tries eating it.
It's a little, the frame is, look at his nose.
No smear.
No smear, breaking it in. I feel like every YouTuber now like does some like crazy like thing with their like play button.
Bake
like
it into a cake.
I saw, what was that? There was that one dude that like went fishing with his, which I thought was the coolest thing ever.
Yeah. You put like a lure on it.
I'm not that creative, so I think we're just gonna hang it up on the wall.
We should weld it onto something. Weld it onto your intake.
Hold on to your forehead.
Big enough. Get
Put
3
it on
more.
the chandelier.
Hit 500K. Hype, hype, hype.
There it is. Still need my tattoo. Awesome.
Yo, yo, yo!
He's so perfect. I wish everyone in the world could hold Tucker for 30 seconds.
Of course you do.
Love this thing. I need all 4 of these.
Kidney girls?
What you think, Chip?
I love this. It makes me want to get one even more, but.
I see Jip brought the 30.
It's nice outside. Blasted it off.
Blasted it.
Blasted it. Beamer boys out here. Suing people for looking at us weird.
It's nothing.
My dad'll sue you for your life, brother. Don't look at my Beamer.
Well, just got a notification that 2 of my packages came in. I don't know what they are. They could either be my M3 trim clips or my lights. Really hoping it's my lights. Let's go check.
What's up?
So it wasn't my lights, it was the clips. But I also got a package from a subscriber, I believe. I have to read the letter that I accidentally just ripped in half. I completely just ripped this in half, but subscriber name, I'm gonna butcher that. Nick Gorkis. I couldn't even tell you, but awesome guy. Sent me a whole bunch. He sent me a list of common issues with the E36 and a lot of suggestions on what I should do with the car, which is fantastic. Thank you for all the tips, man. I really appreciate it. He sent me some Beamer rolled stickers. Those are actually really cool. And best of all, he sent me rear shock tower reinforcement brackets. That is really awesome, dude. Thank you so much. I guess the E36s have a problem. If you beat the crap out of them, the rear shocks will actually just go through the tower, and these help prevent that. You guys always have my back. Thank you so much, Nick. That is so sick. I'm gonna throw these on today since I just did the coils yesterday. It's perfect. So we quickly throw one of the side skirts kind of half-assed. So my buddy Aiden Templin, he's actually from Virginia. He's probably one of the funniest dudes I know. Go follow him. He's got a bitchin' E36 and Miata. So he told me a good way to mount the skirts. If you use the OEM clamps, I guess they are the OEM like push-in style clamps, they always break off and you lose your skirt. The way to do it is you take the cap right here, underneath it there's like a little lip, and you self-tap it essentially into the body. And as you can see, mine are slightly protruding. I have to get like a probably a Phillips head, and this is stuck right there. You see a little half-ass self-tapper, but if I get a Phillips head one, it'll allow this to sit flush. There you go. So I'll go get those later, but I mean, they're on there with just 2 bolts, way sturdier than OEM clamps. I guess what you should do though is get some nice body fasteners and put them in on the side, which I'll go get those too when I get the Phillips ones. But I mean, that gets them on there. It gets them on quick.
Just the 2 self-tappers.
Yeah, I'm impressed. So we're gonna bring out the other side, and skirts are on there. Jip the Jewel Man.
Can't even see.
Oh, I don't like this.
Smells like.
This is a good example of what not to do with yourself. It definitely feels weird to have this car feel low and stiff, because before it was like tall and bouncy as all hell. I miss that like stance car like bounce feel though. I miss that, dude.
Like really rigid suspension.
Yeah, I love that, because I mean, it just reminds me of, you know, so many fun.
That's how my Subaru rides.
Yeah. Definitely need to roll the fenders a little bit more. The rear's rubbing. You here, ready? Ready for it? Hey.
Oh yeah.
Ready? Rub a dub dub.
Oh boy.
Hey, the front rubs
Really not that bad.
I thought the front was gonna rub way more, and the rear was gonna. Well, we in sport mode, son.
Oh boy. Prepare for takeoff.
We'll go visit Justin. I missed that. We got some trimming to do. What you think?
Looks a lot better.
A lot better, right?
Hey.
Justin actually ordered me some OEM flywheel bolts for the car. He has an account with like every one, so if you guys ever need parts and you're in CT, Justin's a plug. So these are OEM from Germany. Took me a second.
From Deutschland.
From Deutschland. So I'd rather use these than the eBay ones, and they come with like the Loctite already on them, so that's sick. Well, the car definitely feels a lot better, even though the alignment's all screwed up. But it definitely needs a little bit more of a fitting, I guess. Definitely needs more fitting. The rear, the car lowered a decent amount actually in that little drive. The rear is like dragging on this side. The front is just needs some love. Coils feel great. It's weird to drive this thing not bouncy as all hell, but definitely looks cool. Oh my god, all I hear is a misfiring Audi. What is happening?
What'd you buy? This thing was fucking miserable, dude.
What did you do?
Over 60 miles per hour.
Did you buy it misfiring?
Dude, yeah. The guy said it ran mint. I go up there, he's like, oh yeah, it's just been sitting.
Oh my god, how much did you pay for this thing?
Less than $1,000.
Okay, well, how many miles are on it?
Look, 250.
Oh my god, you basically bought this for parts though, didn't you?
Oh yeah, I can care less of it. Grenades. When
That's
I go
true.
home.
So DJ bought an A3 with like low miles for pretty cheap a couple weeks ago. Happened to get in an accident with it, so the front end is damaged. So DJ was looking for parts for it. Happens to find another black one for less than $1,000, which is cheaper than the cost of parts to fix it. So I think he's just gonna put these together and make one nice one. So in the end, I think he still has like low money into the total cost, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because your other one you got for freaking steel.
Yeah.
DJ started laughing and he said, "Bring the camera." I know what it is. I'm not excited for it.
It's not bad. It's just fucking. I went to open the door.
Oh, the freaking door cards. I thought my tire debeated. Okay,
No,
I don't really care about this.
Did you just put it on though?
Well, all the clips are broken on this, and that's why I'm getting it like, this whole door is so screwed up. Hold on. Are you guys ready for the inside of it? All right, someone pull back the, that's all you, Spencer. Oh yeah, Spencer's here, by the way.
Hello.
Hey, Spencer. He wanted to check out the E36. Keep going.
Okay.
Yeah, look at that, the Japanese rickery.
Oh.
Look at the wood holding.
Oh shit!
Look at that. Holding the mirror. Yeah, so this whole door is duffed. There's like no internals on it and it's dented, so I'm just getting another door. Bobby's hooking me up with his old door, which is sweet. And the door card literally doesn't clip in anywhere, so.
When you forget it's right hand.
Yeah, DJ forgot his right hand drive. Oh my God. Let me get a nice rev. Oh, look at that cold air, boy. Oh my God. DJ, you're missing something.
Yeah, he took it off 57. said it was suffocating it. It literally already has an airbox. This whole thing is the airbox.
No way.
So literally that's pointless.
Dude, no way. Look at these wheels, dude. What are those? Oh, they're actually like OZs. Those are like actually like nice wheels, but they look kind of ricey, don't they?
So bad.
Where's the stock wheels? Oh, look at the rust on that fender.
They all do it there.
Guys, I think we have found an issue. Two of the coil packs, I don't think we're even plugged in. We realized what we were trying to figure out why the coil pack plug wouldn't seat. Look at those terminals. Oh yeah, that'll do it. Let's bend these back, get that in, and see if the misfire goes away. Survey says.
Are you started?
Yes.
Yes.
Let her eat. Oh, it dead ass has two-step.
Oh my god. It's breaking up still, right?
Is that two-step or break up?
What? What is this?
It's got to be in limp mode or something.
That wasn't misfiring.
That wasn't breaking up.
That was definitely, well, we fixed something. We fixed one of the 8
Did you have to clutch
issues.
in when you were revving it or anything?
Nah.
All right, so it's clearly in like a limp mode right now, and misfire is gone, surprisingly. That's funny how it's just that stupid connector.
Yeah.
So if we were the dealer, I'd charge you about $2,000 DJ. Perfect. So we disconnected the battery in hopes that it's gonna reset the ECU. I don't know how, it's a newer car. I don't really mess with them too often. We'll find out. If not, I'll just call Justin and see if he can come reset the code, because we don't have an OBD2 scanner here because I only work on cars that are older than me. So nice. Much better.
So this was thumbtacked to the roof. I don't know what it's supposed to mean.
DJ is the captain now. Quick little hand buff. Headlights looking fresh. The grill is back. Looking good. For sale. $6,000. Come and get it. Oh, the math isn't on. All right, I think we just put it back in limp mode.
Yeah, we fucked up.
This dude. What are you doing, Donald?
No, it went high for a second.
I know, because the math wasn't on, so it instantly just threw itself back into limp mode.
We fucked up. Well, you didn't say anything.
Well, you went full throttle.
I didn't even think about it.
Oh my god. All right, let's try that again.
It worked though.
All right, guys. Let's try it again. Watch the motor mounts when it starts up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! 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 Oh my god. Woo! Holy shit!
Dude, shreds here like cat are coming out.
That's terrifying.
Oh my god.
Well, it still runs like that.
All right, so definitely didn't leave the battery unhooked long enough to make it ECU reset. So we're gonna go down to Justin's shop and use the scanner tool to reset it, and we're gonna take this thing just for the hell. Hey, at least it's not misfiring.
It's better.
You think we'll make it to Justin's?
Yes. What do you mean? I made it all the way from Massachusetts like
Was it this bad?
You drove it from Massachusetts like this?
Dude, it wouldn't. I was going 35 miles per hour on the highway, so uphill.
Oh my god.
55 downhill.
That's terrifying.
Yeah. Tell me about it. I almost got killed 3 times.
Oh my god, you drove from Massachusetts like this?
It was probably worse.
It was worse?
Yes.
Because it was misfiring and doing this.
So you got to get the
Right there, that's
sweet spot.
the sweet spot.
Look at that, dude. We're going 40.
Ooh!
It takes,
Oh!
it takes probably 2 or 3 minutes.
Or
to get up
it's
to
like
60.
stuck in two-step. All right, let's hope this helps. Yeah, hopefully this one works. If not, we'll break out the expensive boy.
That's surprising.
Okay, fuel rail pressure. That's not good. And cylinder 3 misfire.
Cylinder 3.
Yeah, that was cylinder 4 we fixed.
Yeah.
All right, that's weird. All right, so the little boy's not cutting it. I won't even erase them for some reason. So we're gonna have to bust out the big guns. It's already working a lot faster than the other one. All right, so this one's a health report. So hopefully this thing doesn't come back with
HIV.
HIV.
Look at all those faults, dude.
Oh no.
It's still fucking going.
Every system is at fault on this thing. Who did you buy this from?
Schmuck.
Well, Justin was.
With the battery.
Oh no! The battery's dead. Oh my god. Well,
He's laughing. I hate this.
you got a jump pack, Justin? Nope. Still on two-step mode. Oh boy. Oh my god.
It blows my mind how far you drove this thing.
Oh!
You want Cumbies though?
Let's take a different car. Okay, I guess not. We're taking this, the Cumbies.
Just leave it running.
Just gotta match the gears perfectly.
This is so bad, dude. Well, so DJ's car kind of sucks, but he bought it as a parts car, mainly for the body parts. So what he bought it for, perfect. You got it cheap. It's gonna make it home, hopefully. He could probably easily fix it, but I think he's just gonna take it apart anyways.
Yeah.
So I still find this absolutely hilarious. But I guess that's what a $900 2006 Audi gets you. But
like you said, I got it just for parts. And that's it. I can care less if it grenades when I get home.
exactly, as long as you're home.
Yeah.
But I still find it absolutely hilarious that DJ literally drove what, an hour and a half?
Yeah.
If it was normal driving, like misfiring with the car literally sputtering in two-step, probably spitting flames the whole way home.
It was bad. Really
Unreal. I feel horrible for you, DJ.
It was a terrible experience. Terrible experience.
Let's see some flames, Donald. Oh, I'm just getting fuel on me. Oh, there it is. Oh. All right, before you blow this thing up, have a safe drive home.
Thank you.
Be
Thank
safe.
you. I will. I'll try.
All right. Catch you later, homie.
This is gonna be scary, dude. Have a good night, guys.
You too. Unreal. Well, sick two-step.
Things clean.
So I didn't really get anything done today, but it was still a fun day. Guys came down, we hung out, had a good day. It was nice and warm. It was cool to see everyone down at the shop. So I need to find some actual wheels for this thing so I can actually spend the time to fit them, because I'm not gonna, spend the time to get some nice fitment on some wheels I'm not keeping on the car. Whatever. Still need all the other small parts, and I need to manual swap this damn thing. So we're gonna do that this week. I know I said we might do it this weekend, but just wasn't feeling up to it. Whatever. We'll get it done this week, and it will be a real car soon enough. So, of course, full force on the S13 too, all in due time. So, DJ got himself another car. Luckily, that car is just a parts donor, mainly just the front end that he needs from it, because, he got it for $900, so whatever. How bad could it be? So, that was definitely an amusing experience, which I hope you guys thought was pretty funny, but. Did the little side skirt trick my buddy was telling me about. The two self-tappers worked pretty well. Like I said, I still need to go out and get like a thinner head self-tapper because the little cap doesn't close fully. But, these things, this is on there. This is not coming off. Also need to bolt the ends in on both sides, which I still need to flush mount screws. Whatever, in due timing. But in all seriousness, we got a 100K button today. Finally, it's about time. Took a few months to come in, but I couldn't be more excited. This is a huge feat. I still can't believe it happened. That's probably one of the coolest accomplishments. So I'm excited to keep on growing, keep getting bigger, and then hopefully one day maybe see that 1 million play button. And of course, that's the dream. So, but as of right now, I'm happy how we're doing. So you guys know how it goes. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I will see you guys tomorrow.